Autobody repairers return vehicles damaged by collision to the same condition of operation, safety, and appearance to their pre-collision state. They must prepare the vehicle to a condition ready for refinishing by a car painter. At WorldSkills Sao Paulo 2015, competitors must demonstrate a range of skills in 5 different modules. Safe work practices must always be adhered to. In the first module, competitors must diagnose, repair, and realign structural damage on a vehicle mounted on a realignment bench. They must begin by removing bolt-on parts for access and ensure that sill clamps and centering jigs are secure. The vehicle must be measured by either a jig system or a universal mechanical measuring system. Competitors must realign and repair components that are not being replaced. They must repair all structural components to manufacturer's contours and shape that are not to be removed or replaced. All front-end bolt-on panels supplied must be refitted to manufacturer's specifications. The engine bay must be realigned to the specification provided by the equipment manufacturer. The next module tests skills in structural parts replacement. Competitors must remove bolt-on parts and parts damaged beyond repair. All parts that were deformed during the repair process must be straightened, and panels replaced by welding or metal adhesive bonding techniques. After MIG welding, the welds must be crowned flat and finished, and then all bolt-on parts reinstalled. Competitors must remove a panel part and remove corrosion protection and paint materials. They must straighten all deformation and remove spot weld remnants. Finally, the repaired area must have the original contour and shape and must be file finished before panel shrinking. The last module tests the Safety Restraint System, SRS. Competitors must perform a fault diagnosis, component removal and replacement, and reset fault codes.